Hello all, welcome to Price Fashions, and this is Ali. This is our third episode, and last two episodes we have got a good response from our viewers and customers. So thank you so much for liking our product. And today we are going to see some gachi tussar, zari tussar along with hand cut work and some ari work. There are lots of beautiful designs we are going to show today episode, and before we start I will clearly mention that color may be slightly changed due to light and camera contrast. So let's start. So I will start with the tussar sari. These are all silk mark certified, and this is the red color sari. As you can see, this is a hand painted. First we have done, and after that we have done a hand ari work. See the work. See the work. This is a hand painting actually. Then we have done a hand ari work with pita zari. Throughout the side it goes like this. And this is the pallu of the sari. This is the pallu of the sari. This is the look of the sari, and here is the blouse. On blouse there is a motif is there. 4 sleeves, 2 motifs are there. This is the blouse. This is the sari number 1. Price of this sari is 8,500. Sari number 2. This is a gachi by gachi tussar. It's a best quality tussar, and then we have done a hand block discharge print. Then there is a cut work on pallu. See the cut work, how nicely done. It's a very intricate hand cut work. Both side border. This is both the side cut work, and this is the pallu. See the pallu. It's a very silverish kind of color. It's a very nice color combination. It's a discharge hand block print. It's a geometrical pattern, and there is a blouse. This is the blouse, and the border is there. This is the cut work sleeves. Sari number 2, 8,500. Now sari number 3. This again a gachi by gachi tussar. This work only can be done on gachi tussar, otherwise in normal tussar this work cannot be done, because material should be very durable, otherwise this work won't look good on the normal tussar. See the color combination. There is a design. It's a hand ari work and full hand cut work, and both side borders are cut work, and all over the body there is a mirror work. It's a combination of, as you can see, a red, orange and black mirror work is there, and cord piping is also done throughout the sari. Throughout the sari, this is the look, and there is a blouse. This is the blouse, and sleeve is there. 8,500 range. Now sari number 4. As you can see, there is a paisley design on the pallu, and full pallu and border cut work. See the workmanship. This is a very pretty one. See the both side the border cut work with cord piping is there, and all over body there is a mirror work. This is the pallu of the sari. See the finishing of the paisley design. It's a full done by hand, and this is the blouse. This is the blouse, 1 meter blouse, sleeves cut work. 8,500. Now sari number 5. This is a pallu, As you can see, again there is a different combination. It's a different kind of pejle design. It's a dragon plus pejle. Pallu, one pejle will come to the shoulder. This will come to the shoulder, and 3 pejle will come to the pleats. This will come to the pleats. There is a 3 pejle design. This will come to the pleats. How it will come, I'll just show. This will come to the pleats, 3 pejle design, and one will come to the shoulder, and one will come to the pallu. There is a blouse. For blouse we have given 2 pejle design, 4 sleeves. Price of this saree is 8,500. Kindly subscribe our channel. It's a Praj Fashions, and press the bell icon. Whenever we upload a video, you will get notifications. Again, Gachi by Gachi Tussar. This is a kalamkari print. See the pallu. This is the pallu of the sari, and it's a rising kind. This will come like that, and this is a pallu. There is a cut work on pallu, and throughout the sari there is a mirror work. It's a discharge print. This is the look of the sari. See the pallu. I show you the. See the pallu. This is the look of the sari, and there is a blouse. And we have given a mirror work for back side of the blouse and for sleeves. This is the sleeves, and full mirror work for the blouse back side. The price of this sari is 6,500. Now another sari. This is again a black and white combination, and we have done a kantha outline running throughout the sari, and you can see there is a multicolor French knot all over and mirror work throughout the sari. See the color. It's a very elegant sari, I must say, because of work. All works are there, kantha, French knot, and mirror ari work. This is also a corner to corner design. This will come to the pallu, big pallu, and throughout the sari it's like this. And there is a blouse, black color blouse is there. And for sleeves we have given a mirror work, and kantha French knot is also there. 6,500 range. It's a bright pink combination. This is also a pallu and border. Full kantha outline throughout the sari, throughout the design, and multicolor French knot. And all over the body there is a mirror work, multicolor. This is a very pretty one. See the color combination and the work. It's all pure Gachi by Gachi. The quality of the materials are very good. And this is a blouse. This is the blouse of the sari, and the mirror work is there. 6,500. Again, it's all Gachi Tussar I am showing. This is again hand painted. This is a pallu, and then we have done a kantha and multicolor French knot. This is a pallu, and it's a light pink color. There is stripe border upper side, and the down part there is a design. This is the design of the. Throughout the sari it goes like this. This is a blouse. There is a blouse and 2 motifs are there. 6,500. Now the again Gachi by Gachi tussar. This is a hand painted. See, this is a hand painted. Then we have done a kantha. It's a hand cut work. This is the pallu of the sari. This is the pallu of the sari. And throughout the design has been outlined. All the design has been outlined with the hand ari work and mirror work running throughout the sari. This is the upper, this is the down part. It's all hand painted. This is the blouse. This is the blouse sleeves cut work. Now it's a green sari. It's a kind of sea green color. It's a very beautiful color. The same design in different combination. Again, this is a hand painted, and throughout the sari there is upper border cut work also in this sari. This is only cut work, and this is a pallu of the sari. Running throughout the sari all over mirror work. And again there is a blouse. This is the blouse and sleeves are there. This is the 1 meter blouse. All the saris which I am showing is all best quality silk mark certified. So now I will start with the kalamkari sari with zari border. The price of the sari is The price of this sari is 5,900. It's all hand kalamkari print. It's a zari border tussar. This is a pallu of the sari. It's a 2 peacock motifs are there, and throughout the sari it's a rising. It comes like that. It's a full done by hand. It's our West Bengal kalamkari painting. And there is a pallu. This is a pallu of the sari. It's all base quality tussar. There is a blouse. It has got the contrast blouse. 5,900. Now again zari border tussar. This is a zari border tussar. See the pallu. It's a combination of royal blue and turquoise blue pallu, and it's a diamond shape motifs throughout the sari. It's a geometrical pattern. As you can see, the shades of rani orange and blue and firoza color running throughout the sari. Same design. Running throughout the sari, same design. There is a pallu, and it has got the blouse. It's a contrast blouse. 4,950 the price of the saris. Now this is one of our very demanding sari. It's a Chinese floral. We have done so many colors. This time on peach color. It's a very beautiful sari, I must say. This is the pallu, and it's a Chinese floral is running throughout the sari like this, all over. It's all over same print pallu, and the blouse is there. It has got the peach color blouse. These are all silk mark certified. And kindly subscribe our channel. Whenever we upload the videos, you will get notification, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Now the again red and black combination. See the pallu. This is a pallu of the sari, and there is a body, and we have given a motifs there running throughout the sari. I'll just show you the clear picture of this motif. It's a very pretty design. It's a kind of Madhubani figure is there. Black border both sides, and there is a blouse. It has got the orange blouse. Now the same design, different combination, pattern is also different. This is a green and black combination. This is the pallu of the sari, and that Madhubani block print. It's a discharge print, all over same, running throughout the sari. It's a discharge print. It's a combination of Rani and black running throughout the sari. There is a blouse. It has got the black color blouse, 1 meter. Zari border tussar. We actually specialize on tussar and silk. This is the pallu of the sari. It's olive green pallu border, and it's a kind of yellowish green. It's a lemon yellow. It's a lemon yellow color, and throughout the sari there is a block print. It's a geometrical kind ajrak print throughout the sari. There is a blouse. This is a blouse, contrast olive green. Kindly subscribe our channel, and we need your support because we are new in YouTube. So kindly like and subscribe our channel if you like our products. See, this is a pallu, and it's a green color. It's a kalamkari print throughout the sari. It's a kalamkari print. It's a combination of deep green and light green, the designs. Pallu and the blouse is there. It's a 1 meter black color blouse. Oh, it's a very nice color combination. It's a deep brown and red pallu border and blouse. See the design. This is a pallu, and the design goes throughout the sari. It's a wine and brownish color mixed. It's not a brown also. I don't know what to tell this color, but it's a very pretty color. And there is a pallu, and blouse is also there. It's a red color blouse. This is the blouse. Now this is a very hit design. This time we have done a different combination. It's a royal blue and Firoza color. This is one of our hit designs. This is a pallu of the sari, and it's a royal blue color combination. And this design, it's a skirt par. It will go running throughout the sari like this. This is a pallu, and it's a new combination, and we have done 4 or 5 combination in the same design. I will just show you one by one. This is a mauve and indigo blue. This is a one color. Another color is black and peach color, and the other color is same design, different combination, peach and emerald green, and one is Firoza and black color body. This color combination we have, and we take customized order also. If any designs you like, you can order. Same design we have done in a different combination as per customer choice. And the last saree of the show, it's a light peach color. It's a geometrical pattern. It's a vertically designed. It's a very nice color combination. It's a vertically designed geometrical pattern running throughout the saree. And this is the blouse of the saree. Sorry, this is the pallu. This is the pallu of the saree, and there is a blouse. This is the blouse of the saree. Thanks to watch our video, and kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Whenever we upload the video, you will get the notification. COD available only in Kolkata, and for other state we have to do bank online transfer, Paytm bank, and any other transaction method you can use. So thank you so much for watching the video, and subscribe our channel.